Bitcoin broke out exactly as we have expected it, but what are the next levels that we have to watch out for? And what is happening with Bitcoin now on the weekend? What is happening with the CME Gap that will potentially be there tomorrow? Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's jump here directly into the charts. So if you remember, guys, I had given you a really nice trade alert here based on this bull flag that we have formed here. So, and if you remember, the bull flag is drawn here from the pole, then here's the flag, and then you put the pole to the potential breakout all the way here up to the technical target. So we came really close here to our technical target. We missed it yet by roughly $80, but I still believe that we will hit it. So if you have there your sell order placed, it's not a problem. I still believe that we're gonna go there and hit our target. So, but what is happening right now here on the 1 hourly chart in Bitcoin? So we got here this nice pump here out of the bull flag to the upside, as we should get it. So, and it looks like that we are starting to consolidate here now and potentially form another bull flag or potentially a symmetrical triangle. So for now, I cannot tell which one of the two it is. It could be either one, but the main outcome is both are bullish, both will bring us more to the upside and closer to our target. So here, in that case, if it would pan out that this is a symmetrical triangle, then the technical target would exactly line up with our technical target of the bull flag. So if that would be here another bull flag, then the target would be much higher. So we can also have a look at this for the approximate target for this. So here, there we go. So then from the pole, if that would be another bull flag, then the potential target would be 36,271, if I'm correct here. Yeah. 36,274 would be then the technical target. So I will leave it for now like this because it looks like that we are consolidating here in that range, up and down. So there is a chance that this will exactly play out like this, but it has still to mature a lot more to confirm that this is a bull flag. So that would be another trade that you can take. And I hope that you could take advantage here of this specific trade call that I have given yesterday from this initial bull flag where I have said who caught this Bitcoin breakout, and that was exactly as I predicted, breaking here out. So congratulations to everyone who was able to catch this trade here, and please comment under this video below if you were able to catch it and if you're already heavy on profits. So let's go back here to the charts. And here also happened something that I was waiting for the last couple of days, and that is that the EMA ribbon here flips again bullish to the upside and brings us into a new uptrend here. So for now that is the case, but we are running here into resistance. If you remember, I had told you that we are running here into resistance because of the bear flag that we have on the 4 hourly and on the 12 hourly time frame. And that we will struggle to get into higher levels once we get closer to that resistance line. And that is exactly what happened here right now. And that's why we are seeing here a little retracement right now. But regardless, I still believe we will come all the way up here to test the resistance completely. And then we have to see if we either break through it or if we get a really strong rejection to the downside. But for now, that rejection, in my opinion, will just bring us back to the EMA ribbon, all the way down to, so right now it is sitting at $34,545. So that could be something that I will be watching, because we see all the time when we're in an uptrend. Let me show it to you guys. So here you can see it. So here we had a break above the ribbon, we went here also sideways, then we came back to the ribbon, and that's what I'm talking about. That is something that I would like to see. So that is the retest of the ribbon, and then we continued to go up here. So then obviously we broke under the ribbon, but we came back up. So but usually if we have a well-established uptrend, we are breaking above the ribbon, what we just did. Then we go a little bit sideways, what we're doing right now. We're in the beginning of it. Then we come back to the ribbon to test it. We get supported, and then we continue our uptrend. So that is something that I'm definitely will be watching right now here. So I'm sorry that the chart seems a little bit glitchy. I don't know why that is. Oh, let me... I don't know why that is. So let me go here to 12 hourly time frame. Here you see we are still in that bear flag and just testing the upper resistance. So here we have now, like I said, we have to see what's gonna happen. Then something else that I wanted to show you is here, the Wyckoff pattern. You can see also here we are perfectly on track, absolutely perfectly on track with the Wyckoff pattern. We just entered into phase D here from this line here. So, and since then we're just going upwards. So obviously the price action doesn't have to follow one-to-one this line here right now, but it is incredible that we are following the line. And you know me, I did not move these lines for roughly a week. When I firstly shown you this pattern, I have not touched one of these lines in over a week. So, and it is incredible how accurately we are following the Wyckoff pattern here. So, and as you know here in phase D, the initial target of phase D is all the way up here into our red zone, and that is 39,500 to 31,500. So that will be our first take profit zone for our trade. So, and from there we will then wait for the initial pullback that we should get here, and on the pullback we can re-enter and then trade the spring to the upside in phase D, because then we are off to the races. Something that we have also to pay attention to now is the CME chart. So I'm here on the Bitcoin futures CME chart for the Chicago exchange. So, and we closed on Friday on the futures at $33,285. So you have to understand, the futures market is working like the stocks market. They are working only from Monday to Friday, and over the weekend they are closed, and that's why we get gaps on this chart. So, and more often than not, these gaps get filled also rather sooner than later. So now we have here created, so we closed at 32,285. So now if the price stands where it is, so and that's 35,500 roughly, let's put it here. So then you see we will get the CME gap. Let me make that also a little bit more colorful. Open and closing. So here is where we closed on Friday. This is where we're gonna open tomorrow, potentially, if the price stays that way. So what happens is we have then a candle opening here. We have here this gap then. So what usually happens in the coming days is that the price, which is now here, will come back all the way down to fill this gap and then move up again. So we have to be really, really cautious. That could be something that could play out over the next week. So it doesn't have to. Sometimes these gaps, they stay open for a really, really long time, but it is something that we should be aware of. So then I want to show you again my trade that I have opened a while back. So here you can see I've still opened the same trade. I'm here in heavy profits right now, almost half a Bitcoin, which is roughly $17,500, more or less. So I will keep this trade open. I have here my take profit at 41,600 for the time being. So, and yeah, so this trade is running really, really well. So, and if you want to take advantage of the trade calls that you have seen in the beginning of the video, then you can go to the pinned comment below and use there my referral links to Bybit and to Phemex and get an accumulative free bonus after initial deposit of $1,800. And if you use a 30x leverage on that, you would get almost $50,000 trade for free, but you have to do the initial deposit, but you don't have to trade with the initial deposit. You can trade only with the bonus, and that is the beauty about it. So that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode again. Please smash up the likes, destroy the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time when I send out a new video. And guys, as always, see you tomorrow.